Welcome back to the channel. Jenna Geary here, and I am here with, he's going to introduce himself.
I'm Thomas Morning. I'm 15-year Air Force veteran and going, and I'm happy to be here.
He is going to do bridges with me. We're going to see, he's a farm boy, and he said he's got farm boy strength.
Yep,
so
I got it.
So we're going to see what he can really do with those hips. And then we're going to do hamstrings because he makes fun of me all the time about how crappy my hamstrings are.
Yeah, I wouldn't say they're weak, but
they are weak. I would say they're weak. You would say they're weak.
I mean,
they are weak.
Yeah, sorry.
And then we're going to do one other glute exercise. So we're going to do the yes machine because I only say yes to him.
Okay. What? Yeah, that's right.
Yes. And then he's going to give a little twist to something, but you're going to have to wait and see. Oh, wait. So follow him right here.
Yeah.
I'm pointing to your Instagram handle.
Yeah, that's awesome. Wait a minute.
Not there. Okay, that's it. Let's get to work. Okay, so we are on our second set. We're going to do 15. And then we're going to get real heavy. I have a number that I have in my mind for me and him. He doesn't know it yet, though. Once it gets real heavy, we're going to stick to sets of 5, 6, and then top set, whatever I can do. So this is just a warm-up. I think I'm going to do 15. I don't know. We'll see. Ass, 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 ass. Oh, yeah. This is there you go. Like you're squeezing $1 million marble in between your ass cheeks. Don't let it go!
I lost my count. I'll just keep. That's 15, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
That was like 1,000. Alright, so I am at my top set. I am actually doing 10 pounds heavier than what my program is, because my program, I program 535, this is 545. Technically I'm supposed to do 5, but I'm just going to go until I can't lift it anymore. And then he, the man behind the camera,
yeah.
I'm a twisted kitten, he's a sick puppy.
Yeah.
We match. All the information below. This is my bigger leg, but we'll do that. Wait, gotta get the beef. Danielle, say hi. A guest appearance. Hi. 22?
We're twins.
Wait, this is my beefy leg.
We're twins. I got lightheaded. She's 22.
All right. I have a 22-inch penis. So as I was saying, he's gonna do a lot more than me. Wait.
Me.
We might just throw a 45 on top of this.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
I don't know.
Babar? At the babar? Oh my god. I don't even have music. I don't like this.
Yeah, no music. One. 6, 7.
I was like 7.5.
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. He's ready. He's ready to go. 585 people. For as many as he could do. Yeah. Yes. Nice and high. What? Bend in the bar. Bend in the bar. Oh my God, we're a 20-second hold.
Okay.
That was good. Okay. All right. This is the heaviest I've ever done. The heaviest I ever did was 160, so I'm gonna do 175, and he's gonna stay close because I'm gonna need a spot.
You got
Feel it in my bones. Did you move this at all?
Nope.
Oh God. One, two, three, go.
Yep. 3. Come on. 4, 5. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Come on. 9. Let's go. 10. 2 more. Yep. 11. 1 more. Oh. There you go.
Oh my God. I'm so proud of myself.
Good job. Yeah, that's right. That's what happens when you lift your hands.
All right, his turn.
2:05.
God damn. Holy shit. You know,
What?
you don't need a spot, do you?
I don't think so. Let me see.
I'll just stand here and look cute then.
Noise. Ooh, ah, ooh.
Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. All right, let's go. Okay, so we're on this one. You guys have seen this before. Kind of curious as to what he's going to do. We're on our second set. We warmed up with 3 plates on each side. I'm sticking a set to 10. I don't know if that's what he's doing. He doesn't know. He just shrugged. I don't know. That's him shrugging. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I can see you.
Oh, I'm not coming over there.
Yes, you are.
It wasn't
Yeah, I can yawn.
Okay. Oh, shit. Easy peasy.
How many is that?
I don't know, like 100?
I think so.
Are you fucking done?
No, I guess.
I get. Oh, higher.
What am I?
What did you do? Like 20?
I think so. I don't know.
You got bored and lost track?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm pretty sure the last time I did this, I did it with 7 plates. This is the heaviest I've ever done, ever in my life, in my entire 47 years on this planet, almost 48. Oh, my birthday's soon. I have a number in my mind, and I'm gonna hit it. Ah! I don't have any music! I made my bed, I gotta lay in it. Oh my God.
Come on.
Alright, I said I was going to do 8, I did 10. I win. Okay,
Is it going?
we're influencing right now. So hopefully, nope, I'm not going to say it.
Stop. Yeah, don't jinx that.
Alright, okay,
You know what I'm saying though? Like,
I'm going to put my feet right here.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then just hold here, I guess.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Here we go, baby.
Oh fuck.
Come on, you sick fucking puppy. Sick motherfucker. What slipped your hand?
Yeah, my hand slipped off the railing. Yeah.
All right, now we gotta clean up.
It's so sad for. What's that? Oh, it's not that.
She's just as crazy. She was watching.
Don't kill him before we get to know him. Okay.
You got to know him already.
Oh,
He's
never mind.
he's stupid strong. He just did.
That's not too
He
bad.
just did 600 pounds on bridges. And
Yeah, and we're
all right, we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna end with single leg. There's like 7 people over there right now. Hopefully, they're not using that piece of equipment. But we are on our top set. We're gonna do. I'm gonna do what he did. I'm gonna do 15, I think. And then I'm gonna sit on it when he goes.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna sit on, we don't know.
We'll find.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna sit on it later, so he's just gonna go. What'd you do? Like 1,000?
20 and 15.
Oh. Alright. I'm very proud of myself, but the fucking 3 of them are shitting on my world. All of them. Kiara and Danielle and my guy teamed up to shit on my hamstrings.
Yeah.
Not in the literal sense.
They shit on themselves.
They shit. See? You see this?
Make sure that friends know when they suck.
Keep you humble.
So that they can suck less. She
Yes.
has a big head. Figuratively and
Fucking hate all of you.
All right, 70, 70.
you love it.
And here we go. Here we go. And 2, 3, go. Oh my god, that's so heavy. 70. Oh,
Make eye contact.
no trip. Oh my god, that fucking hurt.
Oh, you got another one.
I never had the leg.
Guys, you got like premature celebration.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice.
I win.
That's a good witness.
Look at that junk. He's got cakes. He's got cakes. You got all the girls behind you. Yeah.
I feel so objectified right now. I feel so objectified with everybody's eyes. I'm gonna say.
Danielle's about Danielle's about to get a what? Nice wrist wraps. Nordic lifting. Go to the description and use my code and get a discount. Okay, go, bitch. You're on YouTube. The World Wide Web is watching. www.youtube.com. Don't be a little bitch. You're going for all of them. Yeah.
My new way to unload.
Is that what I'm gonna do?
It helps my back.
Stop. I forgot. I neglected to say all the information's in the description when matching because it's so cute. Did you like the workout?
I did.
It was brutal.
It's alright.
It was fun. It was alright.
That's good.
All right, follow him because he's awesome and because you love me, so you'll have to love him. And leave your comments below and let me know if you want to see him next. Go for it's all about you. Go for 700 and then 800.
Holy. Okay.
And then we got to figure out how we could make that heavier in the mornings.
Okay. Yeah, and I'll wear shorts so
we
it's
can
not
really
so
see.
restricted. Yeah.
Oh, that's why. That's why you didn't go as heavy because it's really constricted.
Yeah,
and can we get a body roll?
Hold on, you gotta go this way.
And then you do.
Yeah.
What? All right, I gotta practice that one. All right, so I will practice that, and that's it. So leave your comments below, like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next video. Say
Bye.
Did you say bye?
Yeah.
Okay.
I said bye.
Bye.